In this video, we will show you how to replace your serpentine belt tensioner pulley on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted along the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To do this, we'll make our way right down here to the serpentine belt tensioner. Along the front of that pulley, you'll find that you have a 15mm headed bolt. Use your serpentine belt tool or a 15mm wrench, and we're going to turn this clockwise to release tension from the belt. Once you've done that, we'll carefully slide the belt off of the alternator pulley right up along top here. We don't need to fully remove the belt for this job. I'll get my tool out of the way. We're going to remove the 15mm headed bolt that goes through the center of the pulley. To do this, we'll just turn this counterclockwise until it completely unscrews and then remove that pulley. Now we can remove that mounting bolt, remove the outer washer, and remove the pulley. There it is. While that's off of there, let's quickly inspect the serpentine belt tensioner, make sure that the mounting point is still in good condition. Once you've done that, we can continue on with our brand new pulley. To install the pulley, we'll be taking that washer and putting it so the beveled area faces in towards that pulley. Now we can get ready to install the bolt. What we would do is take this and we're going to slide it onto the tensioner and then install the bolt directly through the center. Now that we have that snug, let's torque that bolt to 45 foot-pounds. Now we can reinstall our belt. While putting this on, you want to ensure that it's sitting on each one of these grooves properly. If it's off by even one tooth, you're going to destroy your serpentine belt and possibly cause other damage. Now with that said, we'll carefully take hold of that belt. I'm going to bring it up and bring it along the tensioner pulley. Now I'll take all that slack and I'm going to pull it up towards the alternator here. While I'm holding it in this position, I'll continue on with my serpentine belt tool. We'll release the tension from this and slide the belt up and over the alternator pulley. Before we go any further, it's important to double check to make sure you are properly on each one of the pulleys. I left this one off just by one tooth here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. If I was to start up the vehicle like this, it's going to rip the belt and I will have to replace the belt. I'll just readjust this, slide it on there. There we are. Now I'm going to double check each and every one of these pulleys, including the crank pulley all the way down at the bottom. Power steering over here, that looks good. Okay friends, at this point the next thing that you would want to do would be to go ahead and start up the vehicle. You want to let it run for approximately 5 seconds and turn it right back off. We'll make our way back out here and triple check the belt, once again making sure that we are sitting on each one of the pulleys properly. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.